What if I told you that by adopting just 5 habits, you could completely change your financial future? These aren't gimmicks. They're the tried and true strategies that self made millionaires swear by. And the best part, you don't need to start at 20 or 30. It's never too late to master these habits by 40. Let's get started. 1. They plan every dollar with precision. Millionaires don't just spend, they assign a purpose to every dollar. From budgeting apps to financial planners, they ensure their money works for them, not the other way around. Oh, practical tip, start using the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% investments or savings. 2. They prioritize investing over saving. While saving is essential, millionaires focus on growing their money through smart investments. They know that compound interest is their best ally. Oh, pro tip, explore index funds, real estate, or even starting a small business. Let your money make money for you. 3. They focus on one high income skill. Millionaires understand the value of depth over breadth. Instead of being average at many things, they master one skill that brings exponential income growth. Oh, action step. Identify what you're great at and how you can monetize it, whether it's coding, sales, or a creative talent. 4. They build powerful networks. Your net worth often reflects your network. Millionaires surround themselves with people who challenge and inspire them. Oh, pro tip, start attending events, joining communities, or even reaching out on LinkedIn to connect with like minded people. 5. They create multiple streams of income. Relying on a single paycheck is risky. Millionaires diversify their income through side hustles, investments, or passive income sources. Oh, quick start. Idea. Try something simple, like creating a digital product, offering online courses, or renting out property. Which habit are you going to start working on today? Let me know in the comments. Your first step could inspire someone else. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to smash that like button, share this video with someone who needs a financial boost, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable advice. Now that you know what habits millionaires master, the next question is, how do they think? In the next video, I'll break down the 7 mindset shifts that turn ordinary people into extraordinary successes. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.